I'm going to show you a few things about falling and getting back up. Everybody falls. Not everybody can get back up, and frankly, sometimes we can't because we're injured. If you ever hear a crack or a pop, or you feel numbness or tingling, sometimes, or you've cracked your neck really badly on a stair falling down the stairs or cycling, then please don't even try to get up. Always assess what's around you and see if it's safe to get up. And don't be too proud to call for help. But if you do fall and you feel you can get up, these are different ways you can do it. Okay, so if you're down on the ground, first of all, can you get yourself up without any hands? Apparently I can't. Okay, and scoot yourself somewhere. Maybe you can reach something, lean on something, pull yourself up. Or can you just get up by putting one leg in front of the other, and up you get. Okay, that's how one option. Okay, another one is if you're down here, okay, and you're down, okay, maybe you can get down like this, get on your toes, and kind of walk your feet in. Okay, this is good for sore knees. And then walk your hands up your thighs or reach onto a wall or something and stand up. That's another option. Okay, for some people, they're down there and they've fallen and they have to scooch over somewhere. And then they can maybe scooch up onto a step and pull themselves up, or scooch over to a chair. Okay, another option is if you have a chair, okay, and you can get over to a chair, maybe you can reach onto that and get that leg there and just sort of get onto the chair and take a little rest. Okay, those are some good options for you. There's other ways to get up, but you should try those. And if you cannot do it or don't feel safe trying, then come see us, because we want to help you prevent falling. Because if you are afraid of falling because you know you can't get off the floor, because that happens, then you're at a higher risk of falling. Okay, we're here to help you. Love to see you.